Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yanibingelela futhi langa namhlanje makhehla amadala zonke izinto seziyalunga. Yeah man, eyisibambezela. Coronavirus is in full force. So today I'd like to talk about certain things and again how to prevent yourself from getting infected. You understand, from this COVID-19. You understand? So there's things you don't understand, you understand. So now I'll just give you tips, not much, but small tips that helps me and my students. You understand, so that with anything in a so that you don't get infected, so that you can stay healthy at all times and move on and do your daily rituals, do your daily practices. You understand? So what you need to do here is that the most important thing that you need to know, as much as you know what this virus doesn't go along in the heat and a hot place, you understand. So now what I'm trying to say is that you can use certain things. You see, pepper is the number one herb that will help you to remove certain uh, illnesses, you understand, that will remove certain uh, bacteria, you understand. It helps spiritually and it helps again physically, you understand. It helps with everything actually. That's why it's the number one help, it's the number one motive that traditional healers use, you understand, to connect and to heal. You get the point. So now you need to use that and mix. When burning it, you can burn it and then inhale the smoke, you understand. Inhaling the smokes helps with killing certain energies onto your body, killing certain energies into your environment. It's cleansing on its own. You want to cleanse that space, you understand. So now by using in pepper is going to help you to remove certain energies and certain bacteria in that kind of way. And again, you can use it when most steam, you can steam with in pepper, so that ukuthi ke mawusteam ngayo, you know, with your sweater, and maybe you can steam around about 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and then make sure ukuthi uyasweat. And what into ongayenza ukuthi ungahlanganisa impepho emanzini wakho la ufutha ngawo, and then steam with it, steam with it, inhale the smoke, inhale, and then uthi usweat umzimba wakho. And then after that, make sure that you bath you bath with warm water, so that ukuthi nothing else ukuthi ukusondela. I told you then you sure, so ukuthi manje uhlale u-healthy, so that uhleli izinto zakho zihlangene ngendlela efanelekile. So I wanted to advise you on that regard. We're gonna go through this pandemic, we're going to win it, as much as thina sihleli ethembeni and siphahla sikhona nabantu abadala and working as a team. That's the most important thing that we need to do, you understand. Now again, I wanted to speak about, we're still on this road of trust, you understand. uh there's certain things that people don't understand. You need to understand your calling, you need to understand your dreams. There are certain people who think that when they dream certain things, certain beads, certain cloths, they think that they are able, amadlozi wabo ayakwazi ukuba initiator basekhaya, and it's highly impossible, you understand that. We need each other to survive. That's the number one thing that we always need to know. Ekumele sihlezi siyazi ngaso sonke isikhathi, ayijikile straight. In the funeral is that we need to work as a team so that we can survive in this world. You understand? So now isebenza kanjani? Abanye abantu bacanga ukuthi mabaphupha ezinye izinto amadlozi wabo automatically nje bayabathwasisa, kanti no, it doesn't work like, because you need certain things to be done on your body. so that ukuthi uphole ngoba uphethwe ukufa lento le, you understand? It's illness kahle kahle. That's why it gets to such extent whereby you mentally disturbed. That's why izinto zakho zingahambi ngendlela because of you think that amadlozi akho ayakuthwasisa, whereas ayisebenzi kanjalo. More especially when you have umundawo, you never ever umthwasele nje emaphupheni wakho because zikhona izinto kufuze ukuthi uyazenzela like bayakwenzela lapho kumele uthwase khona, understand? Zikhona izinto kumele uzidle so that you can be healed, you understand? This is an illness on its own that needs to be healed. Let me give you symptoms of the ukuthi ugula kanjani. You see, when you burp, that simply means ukuthi idlozi lilambile. It's not necessarily mean ukuthi lisuthi konke kuhlangene. No, it simply means ukuthi lilambile, lifuna ukudla or lithumela umlayezo othize emuntwini. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now mawubhebha sometimes it simply means ukuthi usaphethe ukugula okuthize. That's why umuntu ongaphandle nomuntu osaqedile ukuthwasa, you understand more of it ukuthi mawuso uthwasile mawusodlile ukubhebha kwakho kuyashintsha, kusafani nakuqala, you understand? Kushintsha ngenye indlela ngoba mawungaphandle ugcwele umoya phakathi eswini sakho, ugcwele umoya, you constipated, ugcwele izinto nje ongazi-understand esiswini sakho. That simply means ukuthi idlozi lakho lisalambile lidla wena, you understand that? So that's why you'll always burp. And at the end uzizwe ngathi khona into okuhleli la, uzibuza ukuthi kwenzakala kanti no amadlozi akuhleli la, you understand? So isebenza kanjalo. So kuya ngokuthi-ke manje uzibona ngathi uphathwa yiphayiphaya, angazi ukuthi nje uphathwa umoya, kanti lento leyo ukugula kufuze ukuthi kuyalashwa. If you can compare the two, umuntu sekathwasile umuntu ongakathwasanga, umuntu sekathwasile normally akazenzi izinto zokuthi uyawa wenzani. You learn to control the spirit, you learn to control and understand and communicate nedlozi ngendlela efanelekile, you understand that? So now kubalulekile for you ukuthi uyilandelele isimo samadlozi ukuthi baxoxa kanjani ngoba baxoxa ngendlela eziningi ehlukahlukene. So what I'm trying to say ukuthi it's highly impossible for umuntu ukuthi athwase emaphupheni wakhe. Into enzakala is that bakutshengisa izinto that you need to go through, but your conscious mind says no, amadlozi amayangithwasisa. That's when you run ugijima ulanda uyothenga lezi zinto ozibonayo. That's why you run ugijima that's why you run ugijima uthenga whatever leyo ubonayo, and then at the end you think that uthwasile uqedile, kanti no, you have opened a can of worms. That's where things start ziba worse. That's why lento leyo you find it endlini once ukuthwasa abantu abayi-10 because of that mentality, you understand? That's why uthola ukuthwasa abantu abayi-3, that's why ukuthwasa wonke umndeni because of that mentality that you have yokuthi idlozi lami lingithwasisilani everything, kanti ayisebenzi kanjalo. The reason being kuzoba nezinto ezinjalo emndeni ukuthi abantu bathwaswa abaningi is that mentality yokuthi manje uyathatha because immediately when you see something, certain things that you see in a dream simply means ukuthi how far are you spiritual, like usezingeni elikephi, you understand? So ufikele kephi ukuthi edlozini lakho, understand? Idlozi lakho sele how far, you understand? Idlozi lakho selifuna, uyathola into engisho. So now it's very important for you to understand that ukuthi amaphupho amanye doesn't mean go by. It simply means do something about that, because that's how they communicate with you. That's how they show you what you need and what's needed to be done now and ngesimo sakho samadlozi, and ukuthi baba baxoxa nawe kanjani. Ayithola into engisho because abanye nje uzobathola sebathenga amabhayi sokugcwele amabhayi kodwa ayikho into eshintshayo, sebagcoba ubuhlalo obungaka kodwa ayikho into eshintshayo. For you to understand the mood of the dream, you need to understand the place, the color, and how movements zakhona ziba njani. These 3 things they are the core esikhipha indaba ukuthi kwenzakalani, indawo, the movements, and the color. and izinto zakhona ezibonayo emasayidini, understand. That's where you need to ila ukwazi khona uku-understand ukuthi iphupho lakho lisho ukuthini, lifunani, abantu abadala bafunani, and all that. Because you find that wonke umuntu amadlozi uphupha amanzi yise, and abanye abantu bazoxota so ngiphupha amanzi, which means I'm done, which means ke idlozi lami ngithwasisile, ngibonile senza 1 2 3 4 5 kanti lokutshengisa ukuthi this needs to be done onto you. Now if you don't do it, iyanaba lento le, iyanaba, and ingene ebazukulwini, ingakho ingapheli, emndenini, ingakho izinto zivaleka, ingakho izinto zingavuleki the way nengithanda ukuthi zivuleke ngakhona, because of this ignorance. Don't be ignorant. Understand izinto zisebenza kanjani. If you don't understand, ask umuntu okwaziyo, so that ukuthi ukwazi impilo yakho properly iye phambili, because it's highly impossible ukuthi umuntu azithwasise, ngoba these are two different things. Kunobusangoma, kunobunyanga. Ubunyanga, you need to ubusangoma, you need to go through this. You need to go through initiation. You need to understand, because ubusangoma budila nedlozi, budila ngezinto zamadlozi, ukuthi idlozi understanda kanjani, idlozi libiza kanjani, idlozi uxoxa nalo kanjani. And then ubunyanga, it's all about mood, it's all about herbs, it's all about that. It's totally fine. You can dream mood and then get it. And usebenzise, which means ubunyanga, it's all about mood and herbs and how to heal and how to understand meat. You understand? So these two are two different things. Umuntu makathwasa uthwasile ubusangoma, and then mawube unobunyanga futhi phakathi kuwena, ubunyanga buyaphakamisa during initiation. But if let's say kunabantu babethi amathwela ngakachitha, you understand. So konke lokho kwenziwa ngokuthi manje abantu abadala baza ngendlela ehlukahlukene, abantu baza ngey'phuwo ehlukahlukene. Uma kube unobunyanga, bazokudingisa amakhathakhatha wakhona and uzowathola, and then nesiphakamisa isikhwama sobunyanga uyasebenza, you don't need to trust. But uma kube unobusangoma, that's where it gets tricky, because yila kumele uthwase khona, yila kumele undlule khona izinto zabantala, yila kwamele ke manje uthwasise, yila amabhudla angena khona. Umuntu weyinyanga unamabhudlu wakhe awasebenzisayo athize, atshengiswa amadlozi wakhe, and kunamabhudlu omndeni. And then as a sangoma, that's where la amabhudlu akhona angena khona, ngokuba manje kwamele ke manje udonsa kanjani idlozi, kwamele ukuthi uxoxa nayo kanjani, ngoba idlozi ngesinye isikhathi lifuna ukunxenga. That's why kwamele uthwase, that's why kwamele ulungisele izinto zakho, yingakho kwamele sifake ubuhlalo sibe njani, because of ile process esihambayo, ngoba sihamba la bagcine khona abantu abadala. You need to understand that. So I'm emphasizing on this, but it's highly impossible ukuthi umuntu azithwasise. It's highly impossible ukuthi umuntu athwase kubona. It's highly impossible because of uthwasa kanjani ungakadluli entweni ethize, because lento lihamba nge-stages and stages and stages and stages. So you need to grow spiritually. So that's why we need each other to survive. That's why we need each other to understand certain things in this world, because there are deeper secrets in this world ezenzakalako esifuneka ukuthi sisi-understand thina singabantu. So how are you going to reach to that point where ufuna ukuyidoja? It's highly impossible. You understand? So understanding yinto ebalulekile. Umuntu akwazi ukusithwasisela injani. Abantu bathwasa emndenini babaningi because of ignorance, and futhi yenziwa futhi ukuthi uzothola kunesangoma ekhaya dala mandulo, and izinto zabo ziyalahlwa. Uma zilahlwa kanjalo ke, each and every item elahliwe ine-energy on that, and then the energy leyo nto leyo iwela emndenini. Athola izongena kubani bani, izongena kubani bani. That's why umuntu athinteke sakanomoya, because of lento lezo ezishisiwe, lento leza ezilahliwe. You understand? So ingakho ukuthwasa abantu abaningi emndenini is because of such things ezilahliwe, and having that mentality ukuthi ngiyazithwasisela endlini. That's why izinto la zimoshekala kakhona. So as-understandanini sezinto esifanelekile, and grow, we need each other. That's all I'm doing, sure. So if you have any questions and anything to comment on, please do subscribe and just communicate about this. We definitely need to know this, and sikhula kanjani, and ukuthi how we tackling it, and how to make families abanga-understand ukuthi why umntana kumele ethwasa, why lento lena, and I will definitely teach you how to approach that matters. Sure. So yeah, let's talk about it, let's communicate, let's comment, and I'll make sure I reply to as much as ngikhona ukuthi-ke how many comments I get, and isikhathi mangisithola definitely I'll reply, you understand, and so that ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibeke ngi-unpacke ngendlela efanelekile. If you have any question, please comment about it, and then mangithola isikhathi futhi I'll talk about your request, and yeah, let's do it. Ngithi akubeni kuhle kuthethe ubumnyama kuvele kukhanya, ngithi akubeni kuhle. Let's stay safe, let's stay healthy, and let's move on with our lives, and let's grow. Akubeni kuhle. Ndawo.